literally can't believe this is the beginning of my 5th week. That's such a big number. When we passed the 300-mile mark a few days ago, someone did the math, and it's 13 point something% of the trail is behind us. So that's crazy. Right now, I'm still in the phase of wishing the trail would never end because I'm enjoying it so much. But we've had really, really good weather. Everyone's excited to be here. Spirits are up. So let's hope that continues for as long as possible. And let's get going on week 5, baby! Walking across Spivey Gap, got some trail magic. Now today is an exciting day because I'm resupplying and staying in a hostel tonight. Tomorrow I might take a 0 or a Nero, which means nearly 0 day. So, very exciting. That's why I had my hair down earlier. I was trying to get all the tangles out. It's exciting because the hostel's name is Uncle Johnny's. And my dad's name is John, so my cousins call him Uncle Johnny. And the first time I heard that, I was like, have to go there now. Here I am at the No Business shelter. I was hoping there would be a privy at this shelter, but looking around, I'm thinking maybe they call it that because you can't do your business here. Made it to Uncle Johnny's, and I am in the bunk room tonight, and let me show you what I saw in the fridge. Okay, anything without a name or date is free. What do I see in here? A PBR! And then a nice beer! Once again, the luckiest girl in the world. What should I do? Should I take the PBR to save the craft beer for someone else? Or should I take the craft beer because that person might like PBR more? I think I'll take the craft beer.
Anyone else?
The question is when would
Tree man.
Yeah, it's haunted.
You can if you want. In the morning though, the post office is right up there, 0.1. The rest of town is about 0.2.
Hi, it's me, coming to you from the grocery store. For a long time, I've been wanting a grocery store because there's so much more choice, but now I'm spoiled for choice. I don't remember, I didn't look up, couscous. I didn't look up beforehand how long it'll be till the next town, so I'm really just flying by the seat of my pants. Not a good choice, but this is where memories are made. Veggie straws because I like them for the time while I'm here. Salad for the time while I'm in town. Yogurt for the time when I'm in town. 2 breakfast burritos for tomorrow. Got some dried fruit. Tuna and chicken. Bagels for breakfast. Got coffee creamer. Cheese and pepperoni for lunch. Gonna get more peanut butter at the hostel. More coffee. And these are 5 dinners. That should be okay. I added some Cliff Bars, but now the question is, which beer? Yeehaw, I've heard of. That's from Tennessee. That also looks really good. That berry full. What do I choose? $10 at Bojangles for dinner. About to wolf this down.
Yeah, I gotta get the marshmallows.
I cannot eat anything anymore.
Good job.
Like anything.
The most insane shit I've seen in my life.
The next morning, I decided to take a zero. Spend the whole day working on videos on the porch. Then it was back to the trail, and I was ready to take out some frustration. Man, yesterday and this morning kind of sucked, honestly. I love making videos so much. It helps me process my day. I think it's fun, but the uploading always takes more time than I think it will. I was still having problems with storage on my phone. I'm not relaxing on my 0 days. I'm bent over my phone, thinking about storage, while everyone else is like going out to eat. I don't know. I really do enjoy making these videos in the grand scheme of things. Just sometimes it gets a little complicated. Right now, I just gotta remember, take a deep breath, take out all my frustration by walking quickly, and it's gonna be fine. If my biggest problem I have is stuff having to do with technology, that's not really that big of a problem. This is a blueberry muffin my friend gave me when I stopped at a shelter for lunch. The mix was put in a plastic bag and held in boiling water over a fire. You can do anything out here. That might be trail magic, but it might just be a group. I'm trying not to get my hopes up. It was trail magic. They had homemade desserts and drinks for over 30 hikers that day. It's 4:30, but I still have about 5 miles to go before stopping for the night. Because I took a zero and wasn't really planning to, I just don't want to feel like that zero set me back. So, walking extra hard today. But as I'm filling these last few hours, here's a little embarrassing story for you from this morning. So, at these hiker hostels, there are a lot of things that people buy and leave behind for other hikers, And at Uncle Johnny's there was this little hangout room with coffee, and there was a box of croutons just randomly and some other free things. So I left the bagels that I bought for myself sitting next to the croutons. Then really quickly I went to go like fill up my water bottle or something, and then when I came back someone else was in the room. We said hi to each other, and then I go, "Oh no," and she goes, "What?" And she had taken a bagel out of my bag, I guess, bag of bagels, but she thought those were giveaway, and I felt so bad being like, "No, sorry, that is my fault for leaving them in the wrong spot." I wish I could be cool and be like, "Yeah, just have one," but I need 4 breakfasts for this next time on the trail. Man, I felt so bad. That poor lady. And I forgot to say the most awkward part. When we realized what was going on, it was like, okay, does she take the bagel and put it back in the bag? Or do I take the bagel, put it back in the bag? Which is more rude? Which is less awkward? Nobody knows. It was an embarrassing situation, that's for sure. Now I know, don't leave food that's yours anywhere where someone could think it was communal.
It's starting to feel the cold.
Getting a little chilly.
Another morning to another beautiful day. Already saw Kent with Trail Magic. He's supporting his wife as she hikes and he hangs out, picks her up, does Trail Magic in the meantime. And today is my 1 month anniversary of when I started this trail. So that's kind of cool. Other than that, it's just another day. Lunch was really fun because a lot of people had the same idea to eat in the shelter. You know, a place to sit down, picnic table, get out of the wind a little bit. And a section hiker was like, "Do y'all know each other?" to a group of maybe 4 of us. And we just looked at each other and was like, "No, not really. We're not hiking together. We just know each other from the trail." And that's so fun that it's just a community. Sometimes you'll hike with people, sometimes you won't. Ebbing and flowing. We all know each other. Or, well, we don't all know each other, but you get to know people if you introduce yourself, chat with them.
Looks like just a wee bit more uphill, and then it's all downhill into the gap. Go up and up and up.
What an incredible note to end the day on. That forest was beautiful, everything looked so cool, and now we made it to the shelter. Thing is though, it's a 2-story shelter. That's very cool. Also the tallest shelter on the AT, fun fact. But let's see, there's already like 10 people and it's crowded in there. It's crowded. There's not a lot of space to cook outside and it's gonna get a little claustrophobic, I think. But that's life on the AT. It was a hard climb to that shelter, and the evening was cold and damp. But the Emerald Forest was majestic, and I had a hot pot of Northside's Alfredo to warm me up.